Good evening everyone. I again welcome you to Sporting Angels Educational Spectrum. We have taken up question number 15 of NCERT exercise 6.5. We are given an equilateral triangle ABC in which point D is such that BD is equal to 1/3 of BC. We have to find out that 9AD square is equal to 7AB square. We will have to draw AL perpendicular on BC, and once we have drawn this as perpendicular, let us take these two triangles and prove them congruent. See, AL is equal to AL common. This and this are right angles, and these AB is equal to AC. This is given. So by RHS we have these two triangles congruent, and thereby BL is equal to CL. Having said that, now let us take triangle ALB. We have AB square is equal to AL square plus BL square. We have AB square is equal to AL square plus BL square. Let us leave this equation here and then again take up ALD. In right angle triangle ALD, we have AD square is equal to AL square plus DL square. This is the one. AD square is equal to AL square plus DL square by Pythagoras theorem. However, DL can be written as BL minus BD. DL can be written as BL minus BD. DL. So this is DL replaced by BL minus BD. When you solve this whole square, you get BL square plus BD square minus 2BL into BD, or AL square plus BL square plus BD square minus 2BL into BD. See, AL square plus BL square can be replaced by AB square. So we have AB square plus BD square minus 2. See, BL and BD have got relationship with BC. So BL can be replaced with half of BC and BD can be replaced with 1/3 of BC. This is what we have taken, right? Again, this BD can be replaced by 1/3 of BC, and when you open this whole square, it gives you 1/9 BC square. However, AB for convenience, we may write BC because all the three sides are equal. However, again we will be later on, we will again be converting into AB square. But here, for our convenience, because, or the second thing you would like to do is, let us keep it AB. But here instead of BC we can write AB, AB and AB. Right? So that way you can write it, or once you can take BC instead of AB for your convenience. When you solve it, you have got, let us write it this way, AD square is equal to 7/9 AB square, right? Or 9 can be taken this side, and we may say 9 AD square is equal to 7 AB square, right? And this is what we were to prove. Thanks for joining.